What's up, my LS crazed amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. Y'all know what's going on with the Trailblazer SS project. Y'all know we're getting ready to put an LSA up on this thing. Yeah, but before we do that, we got to kind of upgrade our fuel delivery game. So my boy Matt at Aeromotive says, Terry, we got the system for you. The box came, sitting right over there, and I was waiting for you guys because I feel that since you guys are with me, we might as well open up the box together. So let's go over there and check out and see what kind of goodies we got to feed this Trailblazer SS that's going to be supercharged. You know, oh, it's like Christmas here. Let's go check it out. Come on, you and me, let's go check it out. Now, I've been working with Aeromotive to create a complete drop-in system for the Trailblazer SS, for forced induction Trailblazer SSs, and the box came today, so I'm so excited. You got your Phantom fuel pump, came with the regulator, hoses, fittings, fuel filter, and swag. Yeah, all right. Oh man, so the first thing what we gotta do is we gotta get the tank, bring it up here, and we're gonna set this Phantom pump up. Let's do it. This is the Phantom. Now, see? This is what it looks like. All right? You have your return, you have your vent, and you have your outlet feed. All right? You got your positive, you got your negative, and these two terminals right here, therefore, to read the gas gauge, the fuel gauge. All right? And it comes, and you hook it in. There's two bolts right underneath. Put this like this, attach them, and this will read your gas gauge, your fuel. Tell you if you need to put gas in. And this is the baffle that you got to squeeze into the gas tank, which we're going to do in a few seconds. And this, you can have it in a single, which what I have, which is good for forced induction cars up to 800 horsepower. Yeah, this is my everyday vehicle. I get groceries in this thing. You can get the same setup with dual fuel pumps for naturally aspirated engines up to 1400 horsepower. We're gonna get the tank and put it in. Now the first thing I gotta do is I gotta grab my float and I gotta figure out exactly where I want this float to go. Now it's stock position, I believe it's right about right here. Alright? And Aeromotive took that into consideration because inside this baffle, you see right here, you have provisioning for the float, which bolts to the top of the Phantom. And so whichever way I put this float, I want to make sure it's in a situation, in an area where it doesn't hinder the reading. You want it to read properly. So I got to put this big old baffle in there. Is installed. I checked around. I put the rubber right there. So this thing is it's in there. Looking good. Now here's the tricky part. You want to put the sending unit in first, and then attach these bolts and lock them down. A little tricky, and don't forget to attach these connectors as well. Don't forget to clean or replace the O-ring that originally came off. The stock set up. A couple of taps with a hammer, and we're good to go. Installed. So that's pretty much it, setting up an Aeromotive Phantom setup if you're gonna go with a forced induction Trailblazer SS. So that's pretty much it, and this thing's almost ready to go. I gotta make a few lines and hook up the harness, but that's another video, another 2 videos for another day. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. Time for me to head on off and possibly make those hoses and do some more videos for you guys, because I really enjoy doing them. So if you like what you see, if you like what you hear, please always subscribe. Don't forget, hit that little button. And by the way, you gotta hit that bell next to the subscribe button, because that will give you notification when a video comes out from Coverman66. All right. So now, as always, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. I'm not a hard brother to find. All right. And remember, there's no me without you. So keep the questions and comments coming. All right. But as always, like I said, I'm looking at the clock on the wall. Or should I say ceiling? Time for me to head on off. And until next time we meet, please always be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.